Hello garden enthusiasts, welcome back to the Crazy Some Green Thumb magic. Today we have an exciting topic that will not only reduce your kitchen waste, but also supercharge your vegetable garden. We're talking about burying food scraps to boost nutrients for your beloved plants. Let's dive right. Before we get our hands dirty, let's discuss why burying food scraps is beneficial for your vegetable garden. Food scraps are a goldmine of nutrients that your plants crave for optimal growth. Instead of sending them to the landfill, why not turn them into a natural fertilizer for your garden? Rich in nutrients, mention specific nutrients like nitrogen, potassium and phosphorus, improves soil structure, enhances soil aeration and water retention, encourages microbial activity, fosters a healthy soil microbiome. Now that we know why it's beneficial, let's talk about what you can bury and what you should avoid. Not all food scraps are created equal. Examples of suitable food scraps: fruit and vegetable peels, coffee grounds, crushed eggshells, chopped up kitchen scraps. Avoid burying meat and dairy products, oily or greasy items, diseased plants. Now let's get our hands dirty and learn how to bury those food scraps properly. It's a simple process, but a few tips can make a big difference. Step-by-step guide. Dig a small trench or hole in your garden. Add a layer of kitchen scraps, cover with a layer of soil, water the area thoroughly. Here are some additional tips to ensure your food scraps work wonders for your vegetable garden. Tips: chop or blend scraps for faster decomposition. Rotate burying spots to distribute nutrients evenly. Keep a balance, don't overload with scraps. Monitor for pests and adjust accordingly. And there you have it, folks. Burying food scraps is a simple yet effective way to boost the nutrient content of your garden soil. Plus, it's a sustainable practice that reduces kitchen waste. Give it a try and watch your vegetable garden thrive. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our gardening tips and tricks. Until next time, happy gardening!